welcome back to Pabbly, and let's create a connection between MagicBricks and Salesforce. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So I'm an existing user, so I directly logged in and opened this workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the landing page URL of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. Go on that URL, you're going to get the option of sign up for free in the top right corner. Go on sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. And then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for MagicBricks and we have to select it. For the event, we have to select new leads and click on this connect. Over here is the webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, you have to copy the webhook URL and configure it in your MagicBricks account. And to do this, you have to reach out someone from the backend team or your account manager of MagicBricks and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account, because MagicBricks portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team and make them do this. I have already added this webhook URL in my account, so let's capture this webhook response, which is the details of my lead. And as you can see, we have successfully captured the details. You're going to see all the details of my lead. And now using these details, we're going to create a new contact in Salesforce. So let's click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Salesforce. Alright, so let's type Salesforce and select Salesforce over here. For the event, we have to select create contact and click on this connect. Now, if you've already created a connection between Salesforce and Pabbly Connect, go on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Salesforce. And once we click on this connect with Salesforce, you're going to see that Pabbly is asking for some permissions. So I have already logged in inside Salesforce. That's the reason that it is asking me directly for the permissions. But if you haven't logged in inside Salesforce, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in and then only you're going to get this window where it is going to ask you for the permissions. And once it is going to ask you for the permissions, you have to click on this button which says allow and your Salesforce account will be connected. You can give Pabbly all the permissions. Your data is 100% safe with us. No need to worry. Now we're going to create the contact. For that, we have to enter all of these details one by one. Alright, so to enter these details, we are not going to type it manually like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map the details which are required or which I wish to fill in. So only this last name was required, but I had the details like the first name, email and phone number, so I've filled in that too. If you wish, you can definitely fill out the rest of the details. It totally depends upon you. Only this last name is a mandatory field. Now after entering the details, we have to click on this save and send test request, and once we click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created this contact in Salesforce. So let's open our Salesforce and we're going to refresh this contact section and you're going to see a new contact has been created in this recent items. You're going to see the name is the same, or we're going to see the same email address and the same phone number. And with this, we have successfully created a connection between MagicBricks and Salesforce. And now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from MagicBricks, automatically a new contact will be created in Salesforce. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.